Good day everyone, mabuhay. I am Josephine Rivera and I will be your reporter for today. I will be presenting the different types of presentation or speeches when it comes to public speaking. But before I start, I want to introduce a brief information about what is public speaking. Public speaking is an act of delivering a speech or an presentation to an audience or to the listeners, and it is also a way of communicating to other people. Other than that, there are different purposes rather of public speaking that will be discussed later on. One of the type of presentation is informative speech. The main purpose of this informative speech is to share knowledge or information to the audience or the listeners. There are different types of informative speech, which are the demonstration and providing instructions, where the speaker will give the steps or instructions to be a guide for the audience. Number two is giving descriptions. Giving description is mainly describing a topic or any object that is discussed by the speaker. Next is presenting reports. Presenting reports should answer the question, what have we learned about this topic or this subject? It can also include the lectures, discussion in a meeting, or professional works. Next is explaining concepts. It is about giving knowledge to the listeners about a certain topic that is being discussed by the speaker. It is also the expository speech, that is a speech to teach, and it explains the idea in a detail. There are also different types of guidelines in a informative speech. First is don't overestimate what the audience knows. A good speaker must know how to discuss a certain topic or an idea in detailed and simple but in clear explanatory. Next is relate the subject directly to the audience. A good speaker must know how to get the interest of the audience. A speaker's job is to make the audience interested in what they are talking about. Next is don't be too technical. It is important for a speaker to know what can be explained through an ordinary explanation or what cannot be explained in a simple phrases. An informative speech can be too technical it is if the subject is too specialized or the term is too specialized for the audience to know. Next is avoid abstractions. Don't use unnecessary words or stories that are not related to the topic. A good speaker can describe a topic through details. Next is personalize your idea. A good speaker knows how to present or be creative when it comes to its own idea for the audience to be entertained. Next is be creative. Like on the personalize your ideas, in order to have a good delivery of a speech, it should be creative and informative. Next type of speech is a persuasive speech. Persuasive or persuasion is defined as a process in which communicators create an argument to convince other people to change their path or to change their behavior in an atmosphere of free choice. There are also artistic proof that is defined by Aristotle that speaker must create when creating or delivering a speech. First is ethos, which is credibility appeal, where this speaker needs to appear trustworthy or make a personal character to make himself look knowledgeable or ethical throughout his or her speech delivery. Second is pathos, which is the emotional appeal. It is by appealing to one's emotion. an ability to steer the emotions of listeners to create a good connection between the speaker's message or speaker's topic to its own audience. Then last is logos, which is logical appeal. It is a type of proofs, artistic proof that involves facts, evidence, or reasoning to persuade the audience with truthful facts or evidences. Then lastly, speaking on special occasion. Special occasion speeches is a type of a speech that gives an honor to celebrate or to memorialize a significant person or happening in someone's life. It is one of the way to reconnect people from one another and reinforce the beliefs that influences the group's behavior. There are different types of special occasion speeches. First is introductions. It is a short informative speech that includes facts that people must know when it comes to attending an event or about a certain person. Next is farewell. It expresses the emotion such as sadness, affection, hope for the people in future. Next is announcement. It is a type of speech that is used when a speaker is providing facts about or the details about the upcoming event. It includes the time, place, guidelines, etc. for the said event. Next is nominations. It is used when election is about to be held. It introduces the candidate's background or credentials or why the candidate should be elected. Next is award speeches. It is used when an individual is going to be awarded for outstanding work or characteristic that reflect a good role model. Next is tributes. It praises the qualities of a person, thing, idea, or an organization because of the achievement of or good personal character. Next is toast. It is a ritual speech that honors a person on their birthday, graduation, weddings, or anniversaries at a certain event. Eulogies, it is a type of speech that delivered at a funeral or at a memorial event to honor or remember the life of a departed individual. Commemorative event is the primary goal of this speech is to inspire or reinforce views and values on a special occasion. Speech to inspire, it is a form of speech to inspire or motivate other people, especially your audience, and elevate a group of listeners.